Bingon ako nagulit ito.
1961. He was a Filipino polymath and a national hero. Jose Rizal was a man of many
Ikaw pagulit
talents.
ay
He was
wait
an
lang.
artist, a
Dahil pa ako.
writer, a surgeon, a poet, and a revolutionary. Now, one of the most fascinating aspects of Jose Rizal was his romantic relationship. Okay? As the Filipino proverb says, ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makararating sa paroroonan. He who does not know where to look back for he came from will never get to his final destination. And in this case, Jose Rizal's life was like love story. And perhaps one of the most well-known of Rizal's life. One of the most well-known of love of Jose Rizal was a 14-year-old Segunda Katiba, whom he described as the witching of revealing some very beautiful teeth. And that, although that was never formally declared, the romantic tension remains unspoken sa romantic tension. Now, may mga matang kung minsan ay mag-islat at nangungusap. Hindi siya ang pinakamagandang babae na nakita ko. Ngunit hindi ako nakasilay na higit na kaaki-aki. Rizal expressed that her eyes could be one of the most expressive eyes, as if they could speak. Rizal understands that she may not have been the most beautiful conventional woman he had seen. Despite this, Rizal was captivated in a way that went beyond physical attraction. Now, you need to understand that even a young Rizal, 14 years old noong si Segunda Katiba, unang pag-ibig ni Jose Rizal na 16 anyos pa lang noon. Jose Rizal, even in teenager years, he had developed certain maturity and a character of depth that made him appreciate qualities that went beyond just physical attraction.
Go,
In
Cass.
this case, the love which was never formally declared will start. This passage is an excerpt from Jose Rizal's personal writings documenting a period of his young life from April to December 1877. So as for Rizal, what he felt for Segunda Katiba was indeed deep. So parang kay Rizal, simula pa lang ng first interaction nila hanggang sa tumagal, mas lumalim pa yung nararamdaman niya kay Segunda Katiba. Knowing that he was only 16 years old that time and si Segunda Katiba ay 14 years old. So sa excerpt na to, may sinabi si Rizal na nagpapahiwatig kung ano yung nararamdaman niya kay Segunda Katiba. Do you know that it is very painful for the ego to lose you of your So,
Next slide.
sa simula pa lang nagsimula ang interactions ni
Next slide.
So, nagsimula ang interactions ni Rizal pati si Segunda Katiba kasi nga naging kaibigan ni Jose Rizal ang kapatid ni Segunda Katiba, which is si Mariano Katiba. And then kapag binisita ni Mariano yung kapatid niya, which is si Segunda, sumasama rin si Rizal sa pagbisita doon. Okay, so since I already described Segunda Katiba, let's first go towards the first interaction or the primero
Pogi.
Now let's start with there. Now the primera encuentro or the first meeting took place at their grandfather's house at Rozo. Grandmother's house in Rozo. Okay? Where Rizal met the 14-year-old Segunda Katiba through M. And M was the brother of Segunda Katiba. When the meeting took place, Rizal was captivated by Segunda's beauty and charm. And then, what happens next is that Rizal described her as something that has expressive eyes, ardent at times, drooping at other sides, pinkish smile, bewitching and provocative that reveals some of her very beautiful teeth. And with which he said is that what is so unusual, what makes her alluring is so much more with all over her reading. Okay? Though she was not really the most beautiful woman, Rizal found that would be the most bewitching and alluring. Okay? Now, let's start with the next one is the body hormones. Now, Rizal and Katiba starts meeting each other at La Concordia College, where Segunda was just a student. And in that case, both of them had engaged in conversations about literature, flowers, and personal aspirations. And that developed the unspoken subtle romantic tension. The relationship may describe as emotional, romantic tension. Okay? Now, though at the end of the day, we know for a fact that it was never formally declared. Now, before that, I will talk about when Rizal learned that Katimbak was engaged with her uncle on the December of that year. With her uncle. Okay? And then Rizal was saddened by the news and who realizes the obstacles that stood up between them. And then when Rizal had finally went home, he was overcome with anguish and a sense of jealousy, a thought of being separated with her beloved Segunda Katiba. And in that case, when Rizal finally returned home, he remained melancholic to an extent that the only thing that he focused was his memories with Segunda Katiba. He was unable to distract himself because of how much he was in love with Segunda Katiba. And in that case, the document suggests that whatever he wrote in that day had a profound impact on the young Rizal that shapes his views on his first love, but also his first heartbroken. The next reveals Rizal's romantic and emotional journey, showcasing his sensitivity towards nature and the complex social dynamics of courtship in the late 19th century. So, based lang sa pag-describe ni Rizal sa Segunda Katiba, based mo yung pag-blush niya, yung pag-blush ni Segunda,
Sige.
pag nakausap niya si